students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. Welcome to our English session. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, nouns in gender. Previously we have learned about nouns, and then we have learned nouns as a number. Okay, now today in this session we will know about nouns in gender. Okay, gender nouns. So students, do you have any idea about gender? Yes, you may have. Okay, so let us discuss some. Nouns are categorized into 4 categories. Okay, according to their gender. Gender are of basically 4 types. Okay, they are masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Right, we have 4 types of gender. Right, we will discuss in detail. Masculine gender. A noun that stands for a male living being is said to be masculine gender. What is masculine gender? That denotes male living thing. Male, मेल लिविंग थिंग्स, वो लिविंग थिंग है पर ही इज़ मेल. ओके, तो उसको बोलते हैं मस्क्यूलाइन जेंडर. यू कैन सी द एग्जाम्पल बॉय, मैन, फादर, सन, ग्रैंडफादर, किंग, टाइगर, प्रिंस. ओके, दिस ऑल आर मेल लिविंग थिंग, living being. They are male living being, so they are called masculine gender. Okay, and more you have fisherman. Okay, dog, lion, peacock, they are all example of masculine gender. Next, feminine gender. The noun that stand for a female living being is said to be feminine gender. फीमेल जो मेल था अब वो फीमेल लिविंग बीइंग होता है, तो वो सब मतलब फेमिनाइन जेंडर. ओके, विच इंडिकेट्स फीमेल. ओके, लाइक गर्ल, क्वीन, मदर, ब्राइड, नन एंड कैट. ओके, टिग्रेस, प्रिंसेस, डॉटर एंड more are tigress and girl, bride. Here you can see mother, they are female and they are living beings, so they are called feminine gender. Let us see common gender. A noun that stands for both male and female living being is called to be common gender. They are stand for both male as well as female. They are called common. ओके, सो कॉमन क्या कौन कौन होते हैं? जैसे डॉक्टर, वी आर नॉट सेइंग डॉक्टर कि ही इज़ डॉक्टर कमिंग, शी इज़ डॉक्टर कमिंग, ऐसा हम नहीं बोलते. डॉक्टर या मेल भी हो सकती है और फीमेल भी हो सकती है. ओके, देन कज़न, इफ़ आई से कज़न, तो आई विल से माई कज़न ब्रदर, माई कज़न सिस्टर. हम अगर कज़न बोलेंगे तो मेरे ब्रदर सिस्टर दोनों आ जाएंगे. ठीक है. लाइक रिपोर्टर कैन बी मेल और फीमेल. ओके, देयर आर बोथ टाइप. सो दे बेसिकली नाउन दैट स्टैंड फॉर बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल लिविंग बीइंग इज कॉल्ड कॉमन जेंडर. यू कैन सी मोर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पेरेंट. ओके, पेरेंट हम बोलेंगे तो हमारे फादर मदर दोनों आए. ओके, चाइल्ड, इट कैन बी बेबी गर्ल चाइल्ड. ओके, एंड फ्रेंड, doctor, then teachers, fish, beast, they are all common gender. Then neuter gender. Neuter gender, a noun that stands for a non-living is said to be neuter gender, which denotes non-living thing is said to be neuter gender. For example, pen, chair, computer, sun, ocean, they are non-living thing, they have no life in that. Okay, so they are called neutral gender. Stone, book, pen, pencil, tree, house, and jungle, garden, bench, table, door, window, these all are neutral gender, they have no life in them, or they are non-living things. Okay, then you can see here I have given nouns as a gender. I have taken 4 nouns and given some example, like masculine gender, the boy, emperor, man, tiger, lion, these are coming under male living being. Okay, and feminine, girl, empress, woman, tigress, lioness, they are female living being. Okay, then common, doctor, teacher, friend, artist, student, they are common in both male and female living being. Okay, then neutral gender is tree, book, furniture, pen, bed, these are non-living thing. Okay, they are neutral gender, right? Masculine means male living being, feminine means female living being, common means male and female both living being. Okay, and neutral means non-living things. Here let us learn to the masculine and feminine form some noun that we frequently use, like masculine then feminine, like boy, girl, boy is a male and girl is a female. Okay, or boy is a masculine and girl is a feminine. Then bull, cow, brother, sister, dog, pig, lion, lioness, son, daughter, tiger, tigress, horse, mare, cock, hen, gentleman, lady, hero, heroine, king, queen, man, woman, husband, wife, sir, madam, and nephew is niece. So these all are example of masculine and feminine gender. So students, I hope you have learned that what are the nouns category in gender, right? So you have to go through your book and see that for detail how you are learning the chapter of gender. Okay, and watch the video carefully. Thank you.